Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I'm sharing with you how to make coffee flavored bread gulab jamun. So let's get started. First, for the sugar syrup, add half cup sugar and half cup water and bring it to a boil. Add 2 opened cardamom pods just for flavor. It's optional. Stir until the sugar dissolves. When you see the bubbles coming, turn it off and set it aside. Now I've taken 6 slices of wheat bread because this was what I had and put it in a mixie jar and ground it to a fine powder. This would taste best with white bread. Next, I took a glass of milk and added some instant coffee. And this is going to be my binding ingredient. Add little at a time to form a smooth dough. And then roll it into small balls. Easier to make the balls with 2 hands. And see to it that there are no cracks. Add a little bit more milk if the dough is too dry. And make the balls to your liking, small or big. But remember that they do expand once put into the sugar syrup. Now that your balls are ready, take a pan with oil and light it up and wait for the oil to heat up. On the side, take a plate and cover it with tissue paper to absorb the excess oil. You will need a spoon that has slots in it. Fry the balls until they are golden brown. It would show well if you are using white bread, and once again it would taste much better with white bread. If you're not much fan of coffee, you can actually add plain milk to it, but this is for the people who really crave coffee. Fry all the balls little by little until they are golden brown. And place them on the tissue paper. Once they are done, transfer them onto the bowl with a jeera or sugar syrup and let them soak in for about 2 hours or overnight. And that's it. Your coffee flavored bread gulab jamun is ready. Do give it a try and let me know how you liked it. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye bye. Smile, Jesus loves you.